Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you doing? So I'm back today with a new recommendation. I guess a lot of people react to the PARO DEEZ parody to the funny exclusive voice dub version using celebrities as such that he or she does on their channel. And someone was talking about it and said, hey, maybe you should do one. And they one of them that I saw was Monique roast Charlamagne. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna go. I think this is my first time coming across this one because I know what is it, Got to Be Real. Was it? This is Mac TV, I believe it. They used to do this.
I learned my lesson with Monique. Lee and Tyler told me all we had to do was keep her fed, but I didn't know she ate humans. That's the thing. I tried to tell her not to be negative. You gotta play the game. But when you're 14 tax brackets ahead of someone, you know, it's just hard for them to listen.
Not 14 tax brackets.
I'll check the bitch. I'm kind of thirsty. Where are my bottled fairy tears? Someone's getting fired! Hey, my dark chocolate-covered African Negro king. How are you, baby? Good to see you. Hey, Angela. You can get up and hug me. It's all right, you bougie light-skinned ass. I'm not gonna do nothing to you.
I don't really like touching people.
It's all right. Hey, Envy. I'll be over there later. I gotta sit down. My feet hurt. Well. Thank y'all for having me, my sugar baby honey muffin cookie kisses. We got a lot to talk about.
Let's talk about the Netflix deal.
Those eyebrows snatched.
We all want to know why you didn't just take the $50. You know, you're not really relevant.
$50?
We don't understand why you want.
Well, baby, what you're not gonna do is act like you're not talking to a legend. Would you have your mama doing them church ladies' hands for $50? All right, then.
Well, let's talk, because you also brought up Chris Rock, Dave Chappelle, Amy Schumer, and how much they pay is. But they're out here selling out arenas and Madison Square Garden and been in movies. You know, I don't really think that compares. What about you, Charlamagne?
Well, Chris Rock, you know, he's not that funny. And Dave Chappelle, I never really heard of him, but Amy Schumer, she's a legend. You know, you're definitely not on her level, Monique.
Angela, you've been a little too quiet. I know you're not gonna let them attack your sister, huh, sister? You know what? It's a damn shame. All three of you in this room, y'all need to know your history. My brother Martin Luther King did not lead all those slaves down the Underground Railroad to vote for Obama for you to tell me that I don't get discriminated against in this industry. I was Nikki Parker, okay? I was in Soul Plane. I was in the Busta Rhymes video. I should have been had my motherfucking Oscar. I'm demanding no less than $20 million a show. And you, who the fuck is Amy Shoemaker? Who is she? Show me her resume. Show me her resume. That bitch don't make me giggle. She makes me Google. She makes me Google who the hell she is. I've never heard of her. And you want to compare her to me? Don't you ever disrespect your auntie like that again, brother.
Not Google.
Should I call you sister? Because I know you like to wear Avon makeup and
what
shit.
You talking about?
No, you're not going to talk to me like that. Put some respect on
No. Avon makeup. No.
Chardonnay to God. So you're going to tell me you never seen Hair Show while I played Peaches. Everybody remember Peaches. I know you said, yes, you have. Yes, you have. It was an Oscar-winning movie. It's probably on Bitch Flicks right now. Because I know you still watch Bitch Flicks. Don't you, Charlamagne? I know you do. Excuse me. I remember meeting you in that elevator, and you passed gas, and I knew you didn't have no manners then.
Nah, that was you. Come on, that was you, Monique.
Whoever it was. You just said it was Casper. But what I'm saying is, you don't have no respect for black women. I am your auntie. Don't you know that? My beautiful black nephew, uncle, brother, son? You're supposed to have my back no matter what. I believed in you. I want to thank y'all Appetizer Club for having me. I really appreciate it.
How you gonna disrespect us?
I don't want to hear Charlamagne. I don't want to hear Charlamagne. Leonard, Leonardo, whatever the hell your damn name is. I'm tired of people like you disrespecting my gangster like I'm not a legend in this industry. What I suggest you go do is go home and watch that movie Precious. Go watch Precious. Remember the part where she ran up them stairs and I went up after her, almost fucked her ass up? Run up on me then, brother.
I need to go watch that interview.
I'm sorry, baby.
I'm sorry.
Give me some sugar.
I love you, Auntie.
I love you too.
That was okay. PARO DEEZ. I love those skits. I love the jokes. the verbiage coming from Monique is like a dead stamp of how Monique speaks and how she talks and her verbiage that she uses. Very good. I like that. I might need to react it to another video from this one. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. Everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.